Good day, everyone. My name is Michelangelo Cisaradat, Group 4 Reporters. My, top, my assigned topic is all about relationship with suppliers. A second approach for gaining a competitive advantage is to develop strong relationships with companies that provide mer- merchandise and services to the retailer, such as real estate developers, advertising agencies, and transportation companies. Next, efficiency efficiency of internal operation. In addition to strong relationships with external parties, customers, and suppliers, retailers can develop competitive advantage by having more efficient internal operation. Efficient internal operation enable retailers to have a cost advantage over competitors or offer customers more benefits than competitors at the same cost. The next, human resource management. Retailing is a labor intensive business in which employees play a major role providing services to customers and building customers' loyalty. Some retailers view employees as an expense that needs to be reduced over the long run, but highly successful retail chains such as Costco actually invest heavily heavily in their store employees while still achieving achieving low prices, solid financial performance, and better customer service than their competitors. The next, distribution and information system. The use of sophisticated distribution and information systems offer an opportunity for retailers to reduce operation operating costs, the costs associated with running the business, and make sure that the right merchandise is available at the right time and places. Information flows seamlessly from Walmart to its vendors of facilitate, facilitate quick and efficient merch- merchandise replenish, rep, replenishment and reduce stockouts. The next, location. Commit, committed, committed relationship with customers and vendors and efficient internal operation are important sources of advantage, but location is perhaps the most pervasive form of advantage in retailing. And the last, multiple source of advantage. To build an advantage that is sustainable for a long period of time, retailers typically cannot rely on a single approach such as good location or excellent customer service. Instead, they use multiple approaches to build as high a wall around their position as possible. So that's all. Thank you.